Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volvo S60 hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the car. It's typically found on the driver's side, down by your left foot, often marked with a car hood icon. Give this lever a firm pull towards you. You should hear a clear click, indicating the primary latch has released and the hood has popped up slightly, about 1 or 2 inches. Now, move to the front of your Volvo S60. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this opening, right around the center of the hood's edge. You'll be looking for a small lever or tab, which is the secondary safety latch. Gently push or pull this mechanism to completely disengage the hood's locking system. With both latches released, you can now lift the hood fully open. It will feel a bit heavy, so use both hands if needed. Next, find the hood support rod. This is typically attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully place the end of this rod into the designated hole on the engine compartment, ensuring the hood is stable and secure before you begin any work. Here are a few important tips. Always double-check that your hood is securely latched before driving to prevent it from flying open. Before closing, ensure no tools or items are left in the engine bay. If the hood ever feels stuck or resistant, do not force it. Recheck the latches. For any specific model variations, always refer to your Volvo S60 owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.